This joint is secure. Go ahead. Roger that. Welding. Okay, power it up. Powering up. Careful with that panel. It's heavy. Align the gear teeth. Good. Now secure the lever.
How's that main gear alignment?
Almost there. Hold the housing steady.
Got it. This part is freeing up now.
Rust is coming off clean. Now for an even coat. Almost there. One last adjustment. It's working. The line is live. Ugh, this rust is stubborn. Yes, it's alive. Hand me the wrench. Here, what's next? Now the alignment. All right, lift that beam onto the pile. Copy that, coming down now. Good, stack it tight for removal. This old press is tough, but we're bringing it back. One boltle at a time.